Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and beautiful latest crochet basket ideas and different creating a crochet basket with different fruit shape and vegetables twice with basket can be a fun and unique latest ideas. Make an apple, banana, and carrot, cucumber, different shapes like fruit, vegetables, and ideas. What's weight yarn in red, green, brown, and yellow, different color combination. So I hope you like it my video and my channel. Different and latest ideas and latest styling looks. Feel free to customize this pattern by adjusting the size, editing details, or experiment with different stitches. Happy crocheting. So I hope you like it my video and my channel. Guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern and different styles, looks. So different berries and like apple, orange with green leaves as a decoration, and different as a kitchen decoration, and